Hello, saw your question on discussion board. You wondering how to work this one. It's 4.1, number 5 in the homework. Describe how the y values of the function y equals sine of x change, increase or decrease over the specified x values. Okay, well, if you look in the book, well, this is page 134, but if you start at the beginning, you read through it, they walk you by the hand graphing y equals sine of x, which is exactly what we're looking at. So they talk to you about how plotting points and graphing this, and you can see here's one period of it. Here they extend it in each direction. And so how I would answer this question is by looking at the graph. First of all, though, I'd read through the book and see how they walk you by the hand to get this graph. So you want to look at from 0, as x goes from 0 to 2, from pi halves. So from 0 to pi halves, you can see, the graph is going up or increasing. The y values are getting bigger. So as y increases from, I guess it's the y values go from 0 up to 1. Oh yeah. So as you go from, here the y value is 0, then you come to pi halves, the y value is 1. Then for part B, as you go from pi halves to pi. So as you go from pi halves to pi, where the y value here is 1, and the y value comes down to here, which is 0. So yeah, the y value decreases from 1 to 0. And I guess they just, they look here, it goes, the y values go from 0 to -1, and then -1 to increases -1 to 0. So the answer to your question is to read the first few pages of the book, particularly on page 135, or where they do have the graph. Just look at the graph and you can answer the questions readily. Hope this helps.